I just wanted to talk to you about a seven-figure mentor. Can you imagine having a mentor that earns seven figures? I mean, that is awesome. What it's going to do for your business, how that's going to impact your success online. I mean, it's huge. It really is. So it's very exciting information that I'm going to share with you today, because a mentor is so different from a sponsor. Okay, a sponsor is a person that you got in under some business, that they were the ones that introduced you to it, and you liked it, and so you joined. And a sponsor doesn't have to really talk to you or do anything for you. They just are the ones that introduced you to that business, and they happen to be your sponsors, And so, but a mentor, now that's a totally different ball game that we're going to love. A mentor trains you, and guides you and really teaches you exactly what they know, duplicates themselves in you, right? It's kind of like going to a job and the person that you're taking their place, they're leaving, whatever, they stay a little bit and train you. So you can duplicate them. They train you what to do and all the details about everything on that, and that's really what a mentor does for you. They train you. I mean, who wouldn't want a seven-figure mentor? Because then you're on track to earn seven figures. Absolutely. They train you. They teach you. They show you. They tell you what you're not doing right, so you can get back on the straight path to success. I mean, that's what a mentor does for you. It's an incredible, important element of having success online. It really is. And I can tell you that a few years back, I had a mentor. I didn't know he was a mentor when I got involved with this company. He was my sponsor, okay? But it's a very rare treat to have a sponsor that turns into a mentor. And this is what happened to me. This guy lived in South America, and he was incredible. I mean, he was willing to teach me everything he knew, and I was willing to learn. I mean, I was ready to learn and understand what he's doing and be able to create a success. And you know what? It happened. Except there were some things that didn't happen. And that was the fact that he was training me and we were going along really well. Back in the day, things weren't always as automated as they normally would be. And so there were things he was training me that now we automate. But back then you didn't have a follow-up system. We did that ourselves within our team. The leaders followed up for everybody in their team. Hundreds, whoever. They had the list. They loaded them up in their mailer, and off it went and followed up. But you had to do that. It wasn't automatic. And he was teaching me all the ins and outs of it, okay? Because I was learning from him. I didn't know any of this, and he was training me. And then one day I get this news. He died. And I was just like, what? Oh my, his poor wife and his kids. I mean, this was a horrible tragedy, and I was just sick about it. And I thought, oh, that goes my whole business, right? That's it. I don't have him anymore, and he had everything I had. And then all of a sudden it hits me, but he duplicated me. He trained me. What does that mean? That means I can save my business. That means I can take all those files that I had, that he was training me how to do, to reach out to all these hundreds and hundreds of people that were checking out the business for me, for my team, for all the new people. I mean, I just loaded those babies up, just already knew how, loaded them up, loaded the right message up, and hit the button and let her rip. I mean, I was saved, because I really, truly had lost everything if he hadn't been a mentor. If he hadn't taken me under his wing and showed me exactly what to do, I would not know. I would not have been able to save all that hard work, all that training, because he took the time, because he was my mentor. It was everything for my future. And so that's what I'm saying about a mentor. They are the lifeblood of you doing the right things and getting your business going and having success. It really makes so much difference. And that is why we have a seven-figure earner that does that for us. And that is the incredible, most amazing thing. If you've ever had a mentor, you understand. That is so important. In fact, The lady that mentored me had a mentor that changed everything for her, and she has kind of the same story. Not that her mentor died, no, but that she learned everything from her mentor, and that's what changed her success online. Totally. So a mentor, especially that we have a 7-figure earner that's our mentor, we can learn exactly what to do to be a 7-figure earner. And I love that about this. I really love that. I mean, she does the training, okay? You can ask questions. She does the webinars for guests. She does everything's laid out that she does for everybody. And that's what a mentor does. You don't have to figure out funnels and emails and web pages and opt-ins and all that. You don't have to figure any of that out because it's already in place and already working for you. You just follow the steps she gives you, that she does every day in her business, that creates the income. And I remember hearing that if you do simple tasks every day consistently, ends up being a big thing. You have that online success for just doing something simple that people say, oh no, I know it's more to that. No, it's not. People just aren't consistent. They don't do simple tasks. They're not able to keep going. You know what I'm saying? They're not able to continue. The schedule, daily schedule, is really key. That's all I've done. And this 7-figure mentor is the reason why I'm doing and creating this cash flow that I haven't had in years. And I am so thankful for it. And it's so important to have a mentor, a 7-figure mentor, not 6, 7. It's incredible. She has years of experience, knows exactly what she's doing, and we get to benefit from it. Now, how could you not love that? And, I had that before with my friend in South America, and it was life-changing for my entire business online world. So I just wanted to let you know these things are so important. Regular webinars, a lot of times the person that's ahead of the company, you never see them. You don't even know where they're at or where they live, right? Well, she's on the webinar. She does them. She's on the training. She does them, records them. You have access to them if you can't make it to the training. I mean, you are really, most guys that earn 6 and 7 onwards figures of income, they don't do that for their people. They don't hardly mess with their people, honestly. They know what they're doing and they keep doing it, and I am so thankful no matter who you are. Newbies, experienced marketers, whoever, you're going to learn a skill set. You're going to learn some of the most amazing ways to make money online. You never have to give that up because you always know it. It's not hard. It's just doing those things consistently every day. That's it. And she does the hard part because she is experienced and she earned 7 figures already when she created this program. So it's an incredible thing to have a mentor, and I highly recommend having a mentor. It changes everything. Sponsors will not work except Felix. Now, he was a mentor at heart, and I was very blessed to have him back in the day. But today, I am so thankful to have a mentor and to be able to learn the exact formula for creating success online. It's excellent training. So I appreciate you stopping by and watching the video today, and be sure and check out my link in the description and get your information, details, go over them. You'll love it. You'll love it. Look forward to joining us and being part of this incredible mentorship program. So thanks. Bye from Alaska.